In this training, I'm going to show you how MultiSTEEL can generate pipe-to-pipe connection and cutting a sketch and wraparound a template. Firstly, I'm opening the software. Then from the plan grid, I click to the plan grid. Then in the grid file name, I type pipe-to-pipe. And we have a grid for the fronts 1200, 5000, 1200, and for the right 3000 millimeter. Then I click to the OK. Then I click to the user interface. You can see how MultiSTEEL can generate a grid automatically and fastly. So in a command line, I add drawing steel, and we have a different method to assign the section to the grid. And in the shape, I'm choosing circular hollow section, and I'm choosing center justify, and from the section I'm choosing 355.6 times 8, and the representation will be 2D. Then I click OK. From the endpoint to the endpoint, then I click OK. From endpoint to endpoint. Then again, from this part to this part. And also for the middle part, then I get a copy for 3D from the whole structure. Before doing the cutback for each connection, I have to add the item number to the structure, define the frame name, then click to OK. Then in the commands, we type mpipe. Then in the pipe representation, I'm choosing 2D. Then I click OK. Firstly, I'm choosing the diagonal member. Then I click, and I'm choosing this one and this one. MultiSTEEL generates the cutting section, and you can see after that again I'm choosing the diagonal point, this member and this member and this member, click the button. And also for the two members, then I type clean pipes, okay. You can see how MultiSTEEL generates 2D connection. Then I want to create in a 3D. In a command line, I type set view. Then I change to the 3D. We have a 2D and we have a 3D. In show 3D, I'm choosing this section. Then I add the item number. Then I type mpipe in command line. I'm choosing 3D, choosing diagonal member, choose this section. Okay. Then I click to the shape. If I move this section, you can see how MultiSTEEL can generate the connection in this part. If I click to the orbit, and for this part also, if I want to generate the cutting sketch and wraparound template, I choose 2D view, then in M-Pipe, I'm choosing the cutting sketch, to see how the MultiSTEEL will be generate the cutting sketch. Okay, you can see the section that we created by the M-Pipe for 3D. Then this one is the cutting sketch, and for the wraparound template by the M-Pipe command, I'm choosing the wraparound template and table. Here is the CNC output that we can create CNC file. Then I click to the OK. Turn this to 5. And you can see it's a wraparound template and the data. If you want to create and generate the pipe like this one, you can export it to the CNC machine. Then I click to the set view and change it to the front right. Then I highlight the conceptual, and you can see the conceptual of the structure. I hope that you enjoy from this short demo.